Well, the biggest challenge we had is that everything else that was offered to us as far as pay-per-click and so forth was a cookie cutter approach that was not specific to this industry. It was specific to just basic pay-per-click, and you never knew if you were hiring a firm that was also employed by a competitor in your area. And there was very little reporting and very little ways to track what the success of the program was or not. In the first 6 months, we tried two different ones, one for 4 months and one for about 3, and it just didn't generate calls. So found out about Justin and Appliance Repair Marketing, and heard some good things. Had talked to some other people in Mr. Appliance that had utilized his services, and we went that route. And it's made a significant difference. I mean, when you're brand new and you're competing in a pretty aggressively competitive territory, it's important to get out there. And we found that the internet customer is our customer, and this is not a yellow page business for us, the kind of service we provide. Well, I think the biggest problem is that I had no ways of tuning my lead generation based on the type of customer appliance I was looking for, number one. Number two was, it was a cumbersome process to try to match a lead with a customer. And the process with Appliance Repair Marketing, where you instantaneously get an email with a recording of the call and the phone number, you can very quickly determine if that was lead. You know what you're spending for AdWords. You know what Appliance Repair Marketing's piece of it is. You get instantaneous responses of where the call came from, and that's the important part.